Hey everyone, my name is Shashank. This is Gadgets 360, and in this video, we share our first impressions for the newly launched HP Dragonfly G4. So let's get started. HP has launched its latest laptop in the Dragonfly series, the HP Dragonfly G4, at an event in New Delhi, and we got our hands on the device for a brief period of time. The HP Dragonfly G4 is aimed at professionals and business users who need a powerful machine that also looks stylish. It will retail starting at Rs 2,20,000 in India and will come in two color options, slate blue and natural silver. The HP Dragonfly G4 comes equipped with Intel 13th Gen processors and integrated graphics. The look and feel of this laptop is quite premium. The matte finished housing is smooth to the touch and offers a durable feeling while carrying it around. It weighs just under 1 kg, but this will vary based on the configuration you choose. It is also just 16.4 mm thick, which makes it the thinnest laptop from HP. The chrome Dragonfly branding on the inside and on the hinge does look kinda trendy and will stand out. The Dragonfly G4 features a 13.5-inch display, and you can choose from a variety of options such as an LCD or OLED panels. The WU-XGA Plus SureView Reflect display, for instance, supports a peak brightness of up to 1000 nits. And one feature that I particularly liked about it is that it can block the view of your displayed content to anyone trying to snoop in from the side. It is definitely a unique privacy feature. You get a full-sized backlit keyboard on this one with a trackpad that has chamfered edges. The keys are quite responsive too. The HP Dragonfly G4 features up to a 2TB M.2 PCIe Gen 4 SSD and up to 32GB LPDDR5 soldered RAM. It does have an extensive host of ports, including two Thunderbolt 4 ports, one Super Speed USB Type-A port, one HDMI 2.1 port, one nano SIM slot, and a 3.5mm headphone and mic combo jack. Connectivity options include Wi-Fi 6E, Bluetooth 5.3, and optional M.2 WWAN adapter for up to 5G cellular support. The HP Dragonfly G4 comes with HP fast charge support that can charge the battery up to 50% in 30 minutes, according to the brand. It also sports a speaker system by Bang & Olufsen, a 5-megapixel webcam, and comes preloaded with Windows 11 Pro for business. That's it for this video. To know more about this product and all things tech, keep following Gadgets 360. See you guys in the next one.